Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and kicking off another week of outfits. So today I'm extremely casual. I saw my daughter to get onto the bus to go back to her college. My hair, I barely did it today. I don't think I even put on makeup at all. Not that I wear much makeup to begin with, but I don't think I put on any today. And I was just kind of like in a rush to get things done. So right now I'm meal prepping my peppers for the week, and once that is done, I gotta return something at Whole Foods for Amazon, and the loft is kind of near there, so I might stop in there. Gotta pick up a couple things, and just run around doing some errands and stuff. So what am I wearing? Very casual. I'm wearing this sweater from Faherty. This is what I consider kind of a spring sweater because of the colors. It's 100% cotton, but it's nice and thick. It got chilly out there today. Let me tell you, it's in the 30s. It is not warm. It was much warmer yesterday, so we're back to winter today. This does have a hood, which I never wear. I just leave it back. And I'm wearing it with a pair of White House Black Market. I guess these are considered like a boyfriend style jean. I'm not 100% sure. They are, utility pockets in the front, and they're more of a, I guess, relaxed fit, with a straight leg. It has the patch pockets here in the back, and I'm wearing it with my goldless sneakers because I'm not, dressed up at all today. I'm running around doing some errands and whatnot, and that is what I'm wearing today. See you tomorrow for another day of styling. Good morning, everyone. It is 7:35 in the morning, and I have another outfit of the day. Just a little update on my weekend. I did not do much in the way of shopping. Ooh, look at my hair. Yikes. Sorry, guys. Don't know what's going on here. I did not do much in the way of shopping, so I'm probably not going to have any kind of videos for you this weekend. So anything that does come in, I'll probably incorporate it within this outfit in the week, and you're probably not going to see any kind of clothing or styling videos this weekend. And I'm going to be redoing my bathroom, I think, and the shopping's going to have to cut back, not only because of budget, but also time, because I'll be picking out things for my bathroom versus clothes. So things might be a little bit light in the next couple weeks, which is pretty good because I think I spent enough and my wardrobe is just bursting at the seams. You should have seen me before I broke a sweat trying to get all my spring sweaters in place. All right, so enough of that. What am I wearing today? Well, I am wearing that turtleneck that I was not able to return because I didn't realize that it was final sale. It's like a periwinkle color from Loft. It's very, very thin weight, and as you can see, the neck is very loose. It's like a ribbed fabric, a very thin ribbed fabric. And I paired it with my new Chanel-inspired blazer. This blazer is something else. If you have any interest in this blazer at all, stop what you're doing. Go to Loft and order it. I think it's true to size to possibly a slightly oversized. This is a regular extra small. I thought I was getting a petite, but I'm kind of glad I didn't get a petite. Plenty of room in here for me. I rolled up the sleeves a little bit because, as you know, I'm short and they're always a little long. Here's like a close-up of the colors in this. They're absolutely beautiful. Well, I had in my mind I wanted a Chanel type of blazer, and they hit it. They said, okay, we're making one for Carolyn. This hit it on the mark. This is exactly what I was looking for. So I am extremely happy with this little blazer. I paired it with a very distressed pair of Vigoss straight leg jeans. One of the reasons why I did this is because I wanted it to be more of like a trendy, funky outfit and not all this buttoned up, formalness. And of course my ivory loafers to go with it. And that is what I'm wearing today. I did put on a pendant necklace because I kind of feel when you have a plain area like this, it needs to kind of be broken up a little bit and elongated. So I do have a pendant necklace. This is from, who is this from? Kendra Scott. One year I got it for my birthday. And I got some earrings that I got at Nordstrom Rack. I believe they were by Argento Vivo, but they were like 15 bucks. And my usual watch. And that is my outfit for today. Okay, see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, March 21st, I think. But it is the first day of spring, and apparently Mother Nature saw that on the calendar, and we're getting 60-degree day today. So in honor of spring, I decided to pull out one of my spring outfits I'm so excited to wear. So what I have on is a Tarte collection top that I got from my Front Door Fashion. I have a little Kendra Scott layered necklace on with this one. I have my BB Dakota pink moto. Love this moto. Got it last year. I actually got it in a Wantable and I sent it back, and I found it cheaper, a little bit cheaper at South Moon Under. With it, I have paired a pair of cut from the cloth jeans that I got directly from Cut from the Cloth. They have that split hem. I haven't worn these in a while. One, because they have the lighter wash, and two, the split hem. I like to keep my legs a little bit warmer in the winter. And I also have my BP slides, which Laura of Little Box of Happy influenced me to get. When I was on vacation, I saw she got them, and I said, you know, I know you have this pink moto too. Do they match the shoes? She's like, it's a perfect match. I'm on vacation ordering away to get these shoes then. So yeah, the shoes go great with the moto. I think the Tarte collection top also goes great with the moto, and I'm excited to wear this springtime outfit. Take care and see another day of styling. Hi everybody, today is Wednesday and tomorrow is my rest day for the gym. I don't know why you would care about that, but I'm excited because my 3 days are up, then I have a rest day, and then just Friday left. So it is hump day and I am happy. I've decided that I have a multiple personality disorder because every outfit this week so far has been very different. So on Sunday, I was pretty casual. Monday, I was very preppy with that Chanel jacket. Yesterday, I was trendy with the moto jacket. And today, I'm a little bit boho. All right, so stepping back, I have this yellow blouse from Allegra K. So I did a collab a while back with Boobladon. If you're looking for an affordable clothing company, they're not bad. I have to say, this is a cute blouse, has nice detail. It's 100% cotton. It has along the sleeves here a little bit of lace, and it has a V-neck with like the crochet down here, or lace, I don't know exactly what it is, and like a lattice here. So, and cute little puff sleeves. I think this is an adorable top. Paired with it, I have a pair of driftwood jeans that I got from Wantable. They're supposed to be cropped. They're barely cropped on me. I'm okay with that, so hopefully you are too. And I paired it with my nude or cream colored or ivory colored espadrilles. They're by a brand called Me Too that I got from a Stitch Fix. I don't know if that's a Stitch Fix exclusive brand or not. Extremely comfortable espadrilles. And you're gonna have to excuse, my feet are not toe ready yet. I have not done my nails. I'm thinking maybe this weekend, but it seems so soon. Maybe in 2 to 3 weeks I'll get them done. And that is my outfit for today. Jewelry, my necklace is Argento Vivo. It's like a braided gold and silver together. And little huggy earrings that I also got from a Wantable. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and we just have today and tomorrow left. I cannot wait. I hate working and I'm counting the days until my retirement. So to continue on the path of my multiple personalities, today's outfit is a sporty type of style. So many of you might have just recently seen this in a recent video. This is an Ever Eve sweatshirt that I got from my Trendsend. I think it's adorable. I'll come closer in just a second so you can see a little bit more of the colors and details. I have it paired with the Ever Eve jeans that they sent me. These jeans are a perfect length on me. They're supposed to be cropped, but on me, I'm 5'2". They're not cropped. Love these jeans. The shoes are Gola that I got from a Stitch Fix, and they're also pretty neutral, and I think go great with the sweatshirt. So I'll come closer so you can actually see the sweatshirt. It has like a blush pink and a gray, and this is like an off-white background, and it has the gray here at the collar and a gray here at the banded bottom, and it has the cute little poofy sleeves. And yeah, I like this. This is great. Last I looked, we're supposed to get up to 66 degrees today, so this is perfect for working from home and being comfortable outfit. Okay, now I'm probably not going to show you any unboxings or styling videos this weekend because I've gotten quite a few purchases already and I don't have much to show. But I did get this bag from Amazon. If I remember, I'll send it to you in the links. It's a wicker style bag, totally impractical for me because there's like no strap to it. But I've seen a lot of YouTubers have this bag and it's cute. It's not exactly cheap, but it is very well made. It was like $44, I think. And let's see, the inside, it doesn't have an exact closure, but when you open it up, it does have this extra piece of fabric that if you feel the need to keep your items safe, it has the drawstring and you can close it that way and then push this back down. So if you're concerned about someone going right into your purse, you do have this option. Okay, and this is a keeper. I think this is adorable, and I'll try and remember to put the links below. All right, take care and see you in another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Friday at about 6 o'clock. And this is my first time I'm actually filming today. So today I actually went to the gym at 5 a.m., went to my nutritionist at 7 a.m., and then went food shopping directly after that, came home and was online from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. working, left around 10 after 5, and just got finished getting my hair cut. So it hasn't really been styled or anything. She just literally cut it and quickly blew dry it to where the point where it's just still slightly damp. It's a good 1.5 inches shorter. I feel much better. It has not been colored in a while, so you will see the grays and the roots sticking up. I plan on having that done in May, so you're gonna have to tolerate my grays and roots until then. All right, what am I wearing today? So today I'm wearing this what is it called? Salt Creek Lux or whatever it's called. Sweater that I got from my Stitch Fix. It's a light gray sweater. It's pointel. I'll come closer so you can see it. It has elastic around the arms here. It's I guess 3/4 length or half length. It's a crop length with the scalloping here on the bottom. I have it paired with my Days denim and a gray belt from White House Black Market. And you know, I was stuck on shoes. I ended up choosing these shoes. They're snake print by Dolce Vita. I'll come closer so you can see them. But I don't like it with this. I just don't think it kind of goes. You know, this is kind of like this romantic type of style, and I don't think it kind of goes with snake print, which is edgy, but I don't have any gray shoes. So I'm kind of looking around for both a pair of gray shoes, either mules or like a wedge, closed toe or open toe, and as well as navy sandals. Yeah, I'm looking for both of those. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. And that is my outfit for today. Stay tuned for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and it is an awful, awful day outside. Gloomy, rainy, cold, 40s, windy, yuck. I mean, miserable to be outside. So what am I up to today? So I got up at my usual 4 in the morning, even though I had no gym, and I'm like, now it's 3 in the afternoon and I'm ready for a nap. But I got up and I cleaned my whole basement, made my peppers, straightened up the house. When I made my peppers, I took the tray out of the oven and I accidentally leaned up against the tray and I burnt my hip. And then when I was straightening up the house, my husband left out a vacuum. I went to wrap it up and I smashed my head on the wall. I'm a bad day, Carolyn. I went to the gym a little bit later this morning because they were having an event, a competition, and I'm just not into that. So I took a later class, came home, showered, and went out to a cheesecake factory with my husband. Had a delicious burger, a little bit of cheesecake, delicious. And I'm just sitting at home now watching YouTube videos and figured to show you my outfit for today. So for today, some of you might remember this. This is a loft sweater that I recently picked up. It's probably still on the website. It has eyelet here on the sleeves. Okay, it's just to the elbow, the sleeves. It's probably like 3/4 sleeves for most. This is a normal size extra small. Let's get a little piece of lint on it in this beautiful periwinkle blue. I paired it with my gray Lila Ryan casual pants because I haven't worn these in ages. And I have my ivory loafers, which I agree is not the best choice for this, but I don't have really anything that matches something like this. I really could use a pair of gray shoes. And I just, can't seem to find anything. I'd also even consider silver shoes, but I can't find anything. They either are loafers, which I don't want another pair of loafers, unless there's something really different and unique, maybe like a funky kind of loafer. Or I've seen like, fancy heels, and I'm not looking for something fancy. I'm looking for something casual in gray, silver, or something along those lines. So again, if you see of anything that you think might work for these items, let me know in the comments below. And that is my outfit for today. I'm going to wrap up this video, hopefully get it posted either today or tomorrow. And I do have a very, very small things to show you from Nordstrom that I will do in a separate video. Take care, and until next time.